at the end of the day. Tires humming on the blacktop, heading out our way. Down to Rāpahoe Beach where the wild waves roll, salt air in our lungs and freedom in our soul. The sun was sinking low with a fiery orange glow. Track stretched out ahead where the cold Tasman blows. Radio up loud, mates already there. Could see the smoke rising through the evening air. We were forward driving down Rāpahoe Beach, bonfire burning where the sand meets the sea. Laughing with the boys underneath the stars, cold beers, tall tales, guitars and old cars. The tide was creeping in the ocean, making tracks, so we packed it up before it all got taken back. Another wild night that the coastline keeps on Rāpahoe Beach where the West Coast sleeps.